Catholic cause was defeated at the Battle of Culloden in April 1746, only Prince Charlie managed to flee the battlefield and escape the government troops. He took to the landscape around him, in particular hiding in a cave at Corriedore, being cared for by the 7 men of Glenmoriston, which lies further down Loch Ness.